Here's problem 24. A 300-gram glass thermometer, initially at 25 degrees Celsius, is put into 200 cubic centimeters of hot water at 95 degrees Celsius. Find the final temperature in degrees Celsius of the thermometer, assuming no heat flows to the surroundings. The specific heat of glass is 0.2 calories per gram per degree Celsius. Alright, so again, we have no heat flowing to the surroundings, so we have an isolated system. So it's true that whatever heat flows in terms of the thermometer plus the heat flow in relation to the water should equal 0. One of these will be negative because one heat will flow into the other system. Alright, so we have that the mass of the thermometer, the specific heat of the thermometer, change in temperature for the thermometer, plus the mass of the water, specific heat of water, change in temperature of the water, should equal 0. In this case, we have a 300-gram thermometer. The specific heat of glass is 0.2 calories per gram, and our change in temperature is going to be our final temperature, T, minus our initial temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. And the fact that we're having a change in temperature means we can keep these in Celsius degrees. Plus the mass of the water. Now we have 200 cubic centimeters of water, but every cubic centimeter of pure water is 1 gram, so that is basically 200 grams of water. Specific heat is 1. Final temperature minus initial temperature, 95 degrees Celsius. All this equals 0. Let's solve this for the common final temperature of the system. So, what do we have? Divide both sides by 100. So 3 times 0.2 is 0.6. T minus 25 plus 2. T minus 95 equals 0. So we have 0.6T plus 2T is equal to 190 plus 0.6 times 25, 15. So we have that T is going to equal 205 divided by 2.6. What is that? 78.85 degrees Celsius. So that is the final temperature of the system, 78.85 degrees Celsius.